very good morning to all. I am Kirthika R from 1st BCA and I am here to speak about the topic that the key to success is action and the one essential in action is perseverance. Success. It's something that everyone hopes to achieve today. It's the big picture that inspires people to keep going in life. There are many reasons why people are successful and there are different ways to achieve success. Success comes in all shapes and sizes, but it really ties down to how a person sees it or what they are really good at. Despite all different ways a person can achieve success, it all starts with action. The ability to take action is what determines a person's success. And for a person to take action, things such as responsibility have to come in place. But a person's success is not only determined by responsibility, but it is also determined by perseverance and personal accountability, because that's what leads to their action. Thank you all.